In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce lag on Subnautica 2. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up these settings like you normally would. And what I recommend that you guys do is go over here to where it says graphics, and this is basically the main things that we're able to control in order to increase performance. Now over here where it says display, we'll have windowed, we'll also have windowed full screen and full screen. It doesn't really make a difference. You can pick whichever one you want. And where it says resolution, if you really need to, you can go ahead and turn it down. So that is 100% up to you. And then over here, we have frame limit. And you really should keep it at off unless you're like getting only like 30 FPS or like 60 FPS, for example. Then you can go ahead and leave it at that. For vertical sync, be sure to select that off. Same thing with motion blur and underwater blur. These blurs really do cause a lot of like lag. So I always recommend turning them off if you're experiencing trouble. And then where it says upscaling method, you can leave it to TSR right over here. And then what you want to do is where it says quality, you're able to go ahead and change it to performance. So what's really great about Subnautica is that they have like a lot of built-in performance filters and things that you're able to use to really just optimize for performance. I do have a pretty low-end device. My PC is getting outdated. So as someone who's trying to play this game, I actually do need to do all these different things in order to get the best performance possible. Okay, then over here, we have graphics quality. And what you want to do is you want to select on low, just like so, if you're experiencing a significant amount of lag. So you can go ahead and do that, or you can press on custom, or you can turn certain things up, you can turn certain things down and stuff like that. So those are all things that you're able to go ahead and do. And then we can even run a hardware benchmark. So let's select on that just like this. And that is going to let you know exactly how your device is performing and what settings will be the best for you. So once you configure this, you can press on apply and then select on apply, and then you're good to go and you can begin playing and see if it actually does fix any issues. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.